Gatho ni undu wa gucoka former President Uhuru Kenyatta na President wa ihinda riri William Ruto ni macemania uthio kwa uthio kuria DP mweru Kithure Kindiki na former DP Rigathi Gachagua mauma amanga tongoria aria makunyitanirite na eri aya kuria Embu. Mucemanio uria uragithie na mbere, Uhuru na Ruto matikoretwo makionekana muingi-ini kuma riria Uhuru anengerire Ruto na Gachagua wathani, and even after maria makihanikire Gachagua, Uhuru ndari onekana micemanio-ini ya muingi. Koguo Akenya riria makorwo makiona atatu aya muingi-ini makorwo makiuria ciuria nyingi muno. Kenyans on social media makorwo makiruta mawoni mao makiria kingi gukorwo gigituma Ruto tikira gucemania for the very first time na Rigathi kuma muhagurithie giti-ini ta DP na makiria gucemania gicigo-ini giki kia Mount Kenya, na niho Akenya kuma gicigo giki gia gatagati wa bururi makorwo makiruta mawoni mao matokia kiuga ati DP Gachagua's speech is what Kenyans are waiting for. No mwenzake ogwetwo Babu akorwo akimucorrect akimwera huyo ni raia tu kama wewe Mkristo wa kawaida hatapewa chance ya kuongea, hapa ni viongozi tu. Moses akiuga ati someone just attended to paint a different picture of himself and hide his rivalry with the church, and also because he knew some great leaders would attend and so didn't want to miss. Kenyans nenda-ini makionekana gweterera ati no speech ya atongoria aya makiria former President Uhuru Kenyatta na Rigathi wa Gachagua marenda kuigua niguo maigue miario iria makuruta, kana ni ya gisiasa, kana ni ya thirikari, kana ni ya bururi, kana ni miario igukorwo igifavor a Kenya. Na gweterera tureterera tu oguthie na mbere na ku make sure ni ura turn on your notification niguo ugakinyirwo ni video o yothe tugukorwo tukirekereria. Tucemanie na wa next one.